Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'm going to discuss about inspection and preparation of holes. So what we will cover? We will cover general inspection of holes, items to be inspected, importance of cleaning holes, use of tonnage, use spar sealing, blanking of ballast lines to deep tanks. Let's start with the general inspection of holes. So go down the vertical ladder of the cargo hold and stop at some distance to inspect the underside of the upper deck and hatch end combing. Look around using a strong torch if necessary. When you reach at the tank top, climb accessible pipe guards and inspect surfaces for residues and rust scale. Check behind frames, pipes and pipe guards. Walk around the sides and ends of the tank top, inspecting the bulkheads and the ship's side. If insects are found in grain residues, clean as thoroughly as possible. Open and close hatch covers several times before starting to clean. For what? To shake off residues and loose rust. Check bilge wells are dry. And let's see what are the items that needs to be inspected. First, hold framing. Second, structural access point, that is ladders, handrails, etc. Third, condition of hatch covers and all associated parts. Fourth, paint coating condition. Light fitting, tank top areas, pipe work within the holes, and at last firefighting system. Next, let's discuss about the importance of cleaning cargo holds. You can understand the importance of cleaning cargo holds if you know the consequences of what will happen if they are not cleaned properly. So if they are not sufficiently cleaned for the intended cargo, it will result in delays, off-hires and charter party disputes. Insufficient cleaning can also cause cargo contamination and infestation, leading to cargo damage claims from the cargo receiver. Moving forward, let's discuss the use of dunnage. So dunnage is used to keep the cargo away from the steel bottom of the hold to minimize the damage from the ship's weight. Dunnages are used to bring about the same amount of frictional resistance between the cargo and the steel bottom, and it makes lashing easier. In case of small ingress of water, the dunnage helps in channeling the water to the bilge well. Dunnage also helps to spread out the load evenly. If the whole bottom is dirty due to stain and hard coating of earlier cargo and hosing down is not possible, then double layer of dunnage would prevent cargo in coming in contact with the stain. Now let's discuss the uses of spar sealing. So spar sealing, the permanent dunnage of the ship's side, is known as spar sealing or cargo battens. It consists of timber, which is about 150 mm into 50 mm, fitted over the side's frame. It is used to protect cargo from being damaged by the moisture that can collect on the ship's side. It allows the ship's sweat to drain. At last, let's talk about blanking of ballast lines to deep tanks. It is the officer on watch responsibility to ensure that the whole ballast line is blanked off properly in the hold, thus avoiding any risk of accidental entry of water into the cargo hold after loading. So this much is important from the topic of inspection and preparation of holds, and hope you have liked it. Thank you.